What's up everyone, QFC here, and I'm back with my Craftmade Mia after 3 years of not having it. This fan was installed in my aunt's house, but I originally got this fan new in box, so I put it in her house because I wanted her other fan, but the other fan was so much more worse, and I got rid of it, and I wanted this back, and I was plotting for 3 years to get this fan back, and I finally have it. This fan used to use a 4 UF capacitor, and that's odd for its huge motor. So I put an 8 UF an 8 UF capacitor in there. It performs like it should. Her house is really greasy, so the blades, they're greasy, but I'm planning on getting new ones. This fan moves a lot more air with the new capacitor because it's a lot more faster. As you can see, that's literally low speed. It's a very fast low speed. But good thing I have this wall control, so I can just control how fast low speed could be. Go to medium speed. Medium speed is like faster than how high used to be. And the blades are bent, but they're pitched correctly. It was drooping in her house. It was like right in there. Yeah, this is medium speed. This is just like high speed on how it was with the old capacitor. Let's go to high speed. It's a lot of improvement. Works a lot better with the 8 UF capacitor. It blows as much as the Casablanca. Yes, I will reach that far. Because I upped the pitch a bit. And it's still fast and it's blowing a lot. Turn the light on. Okay. Thank y'all for watching.